Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So today we're going to unbox the Igloo Mini Beverage Refrigerator. We bought this, my wife and I bought this because she'll be going back to work soon after taking a 3-month family leave for our son. And we wanted somewhere where she can store her breast milk, and this seemed like an ideal product. However, most of you watching this might actually store Coca-Cola cans or 12-ounce cans of any kind, Pepsi. However, I just wanted to just show you what this mini refrigerator is all about, and why don't we just jump right into it. So let's see. So again, it can store up to 6 cans. This is the unboxing of this product. Let's see what we got here. And take a look at what it looks like. So it's very small. It's supposed to be small. It's compact and meant for you to take it anywhere. It also weighs only 5 pounds, so it's rather light. I mean, when I lift it, it feels like I'm lifting an average laptop. It really doesn't feel that heavy. So let's take it out of the bag, see what we got here. While we have the handle visible here, I do want to note that on the reviews that I saw on the website where I purchased this, that was the Walmart.com website, most of the negative reviews came from this handle that, and you know what, I agree. It is sort of flimsy. It looks like it's made of some kind of cheap plastic, but I tell you what, we got this on Black Friday a couple of months ago, and for only $19, so I'm not gonna complain too much about the quality. I think you can buy it today for about $35 on Walmart. I was surprised to see that Amazon has it for $75, which is more than twice the amount that Walmart is selling it for. That's very unusual. Typically I find that it's the other way around. But you know, this is a cool looking fridge. My wife is going to take it to work, maybe put it on her desk and just store her breast milk on there. Let's see, it does have a handle, you can see here, so you can sort of carry it around with you. Let's see, yep. You just take the rest of the bag off. Another cool feature about this is that you can plug it onto a wall using the cord for the wall, the 2 prongs, or you can plug it into your car outlet. So in that sense, it's very versatile. Let's see here. One thing I did want to check out is whether or not it truly does fit the 6 cans that it tells you it does on the packaging. So let's take a look. This is one 12-ounce can of Coca-Cola, and I believe this is how it's going to be placed. Here's the second one, and bear with me, sorry about that, kind of put that a bit out of reach. Here's the third one. I mean, there's no more space. It goes right up to this shelving space, so it leaves no room for the can and the shelving here. So it's very, very tight. Let's see. The fourth one fits. This is Canada Dry Ginger Ale. Or you can put Pepsi, whatever you want, a can of beer. Wow. Okay, so this actually, maybe, oh, I see. So it fits in very tight. I had to actually put effort into. Now the second can, for whatever reason, is not as tight, but I can tell you the first can on the top shelf it took a lot to push in. I almost wonder how difficult it will be to just take out. And yeah, I mean, you have to put some effort into it. So it really doesn't leave much room for anything else. The 6 cans, you can fit in there very tightly. And that's all you're gonna fit in there. Nothing else. Nothing else will fit in there. Now, another thing I wanted to try is I wanted to see if a regular bottle of water could fit there. Is it tall enough? I also wanted to check and see if, let's say, a beer bottle, maybe a couple of them will fit in there. I don't know yet. We'll see now. We're gonna have to take the shelving off. I know that much. So let's take that off. And let's see. So this is a bottle of Bud Light. It does not fit. Can you angle it in there? Actually, believe it or not, if all you are storing in there is one bottle of beer, you can slide it in as an, oh, maybe not. Maybe I spoke too soon. I thought maybe with the door shut, you know, it doesn't stay closed, as you can see. So I take that back. You can't even fit a bottle of beer. But will it fit a bottle of water? So this is a common bottle of water. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, definitely. In fact, I mean, it's tight. It touches the very ceiling, but my guess is you can probably fit maybe 4 bottles of water in there. And at the very least, you can fit 2 without a doubt. It seems that way. And obviously you can close it. So yeah, you can fit bottled water on there. One thing to note about this, the look, it looks very nice. It does have this sort of chrome plastic material here. It's not metal. It looks like it could be metal, but it's really not. So it's cheaply made, and the knob here is very very flimsy. I mean, you almost feel like you might break it if you push too hard. And that was the #1 criticism I found on the website. Other than that, folks, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Maybe the one last thing I can do is just show you how. Okay, but so closing, just to close this, all you have to do is just push it in and it locks in place as far as the door is. And to open it, just twist it. So just push and open. Let's take a quick look at the back. So there is an off switch and the cold switch. Here's where you can put one of the outlets, one of the cords, and then the bottom one you can put this one, obviously the other end here. So it's pretty small, weighs only 5 pounds. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please hit the like button. Thank you. Let's see how many bottles of water we can get in here. That's 2, 3, 4. Will the door close? That's the big one. It does. 4 bottles of Poland Spring water. That's pretty cool that it can fit that in there. So anyway, guys, thanks again. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Thanks.